Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today we're working on a second embellishment folder, and this one is a VR going out to Liana from It's a Deal, and her challenge is a birthday challenge, and all she really wanted was an index card. But when do we just give in to what they want? So today I'm making another embellishment folder, and you can see here I'm putting the two dividers together and covering them up with my paper. And the collection I'm using again is the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. I love it. It works really nicely. All the pinks and blues and greens, it just really pretty together. So yes, here you can see I'm not really measuring. I'm just putting it in where I want it, where I want the paper, and then I just make my little tick marks, cut on that line, and then it just fits perfectly. And I didn't really know what kind of adhesive I wanted to use on this, so you'll see here that I've used like several different kinds. I've used double stick tape and hot glue and glue sticks and also liquid glue. I mean, there's all kinds of adhesives here. It's just whatever you prefer. So here we go. I'm attaching the papers, but I didn't glue down those sheets to the folder because I was thinking I wanted to put some ribbon or some kind of closure. So here I just glued in the part that I insert into the pocket, and I left the flap, open. This one I did attach because it's in the center. I'm not attaching any ribbon there. I'm using my hole punch, cut a notch so we can get in and out of our envelopes or our pockets. Yeah, no measuring here. I'm just, like I said, put the paper where I want it and mark it. And then I just glue it down. See, I'm using the glue stick here on the flap. And I forgot to punch that, so I'm going to punch the pocket. And that worked out. I'm doing the same to the second pocket. All right, and now I'm going to use some of this Hobby Lobby ribbon. I love this ribbon. It's a challenge to figure out how to use it for me. And there's my handy dandy spatula I like to use to press down that hot glue. Now I'm adding my ribbons underneath that flap. That way I can use it as a closure. And yeah, I go all the way into the fold. So once I get the ribbons lined up the way I want it, I didn't know what kind of glue I wanted to use. Oh, I'm cutting the edge off. It was a little too long. Oh, here we go. First I used the hot glue to attach the ribbons, but I also used it to attach the paper, little at a time. So yeah, I don't suggest using hot glue to attach the paper down. It kind of left it a little bumpy, so maybe next time I'll use a different adhesive. Maybe the double stick tape would be better. The hot glue is fine for the ribbons, but yeah, I should have used my double stick tape on this part, attaching the paper to the folder, because it left it kind of bumpy. It wasn't as smooth as I wanted it. So here I used glue stick, but I still think the double stick would have been better. So I just cut out a little word phrase from one of the 12 by 12 sheets that I liked, and I slid it into the tab there that comes with the dividers, and it looked pretty cute. So yeah, now I'm just using some of the ephemera from the kit. Well, not the kit, but the collection. I'm trying to figure out where I want my memory dex card. I go from putting it to the front putting it on the inside, and I think I went with the inside. Yep, going with the inside. I love this collection. I wish that it had like foil pages, some of them, or glitter pages. That would have been really pretty. But yeah, I still made do, you know, just go in and attach some gems and sparkly stuff. It'll make it really pretty. So I really didn't know how to attach my pocket. I was just trying to figure out a way here. So I cut that piece of paper a little longer than my book page, so I could have a crease, and that gave my pocket a gusset. I really don't know how to do it, but I just went with the flow. And here you see it's too long, so I had to cut a notch in the middle, and that way the pocket can pucker out a little bit. You'll see what I mean. I just pinched it right where I cut the notch, and then I put more glue to attach the rest of the pocket. And that's it. And my pocket looks like it's got a gusset and a fold down at the bottom. I'm gonna use a little bit of rickrack on the bottom. Just don't be scared of your lighters, ladies. I'm just trying to finish up my ribbon ends. So now we're working on the cover. There you go. I use a regular old stapler. Attach that little, what is it called? Transparency from the ephemera kit onto a piece of paper. And it looked pretty cute. And you all know her birthday's in August. That's why she's having her birthday challenge. So I found one of those cutouts from the 12 by 12 page, and I attached it to the front. And I was trying to, you know, put little words in there that kind of said celebrate or something without having to say happy birthday. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy the video. You can see exactly what I'm doing here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Help me grow my little family, and subscribe. I appreciate all your love and support, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. And stay tuned at the end for some photos. Bye.